I want to pour that goodness up there for y'all. I made some beautiful, beautiful butter sauce. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. Oh yes, come on, onions, please. Oh yeah, get on up there, onions. Ooh, 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 that's hot. Ooh, I want all the onions right there on top. Yes. Now, guys, this isn't my hot butter sauce. This is just a quick little butter sauce that I made. It has the juice of a whole lemon in it. I put some hot Old Bay in it, and I put some hot smoked paprika in it. That's it. Oh, and some chicken broth. That's it. That's all it is, y'all. 4 ingredients. 5, the onions, my bad. What up, though? It's your girl, TeeDaWarrior, and I'm back with another video. Guys, today we are busting down some deliciously sweet snow crab legs. I haven't had these in so long, y'all. I was gonna cook the king crab today, but I was like, you know what? I want some snow crab. Yes, so without further ado, let's get into it. Now, girl, if this is your first time over here, I'm TeeDaWarrior. I run things over here. And I'm telling you right now, just come on in, sit down, relax, and have a good time, baby. And if you like it here, make sure you subscribe, okay? And if you like my videos, girl, make sure you drop me a like, all right? And if you feeling froggy, go and share that thing, okay? Crab trying to get away already. Get on back over here. That's good, but you know what? I want to pour that goodness up there for y'all. I made some beautiful, beautiful butter sauce. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. Oh yes, come on, onions, please. Oh yeah, get on up there, onions. Ooh, 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 that's hot. Ooh, I want all the onions right there on top. Yes. Now, guys, this isn't my hot butter sauce. This is just a quick little butter sauce that I made. It has the juice of a whole lemon in it. I put some hot Old Bay in it, and I put some hot smoked paprika in it. That's it. Oh, and some chicken broth. That's it. That's all it is, y'all. 4 ingredients. 5, the onions, my bad. So anyway, now that I got the ingredient count right, let's do this thing. Ooh, this is so hot and steamy. I'm ready to just tear into it. But I literally pulled it straight off the stove, y'all. Straight off the stove. Ooh, okay, yeah, that piece right there. Let's dip it in that little sauce right there. Oh, that butter is bursting with flavor. Bursting. I'm gonna set my shields off to the side because I don't want it to get in the sauce. It's very, very spicy too. I can't help myself, y'all. I just can't. There's a lot of spice. Now, y'all, these some little bitty old snow crabs, but it's all I can find. This seafood shortage is real. Ooh, your girl got a light coat of sweat on her already. It is almost 100 degrees today. It's like 98, 99 degrees. And I had to go in the kitchen to the stove, cook the crabs. Come on now. I gotta pop juice everywhere. Let's put this over here. Ooh, your girl loves spice. Every time I'm making something, I'm like, ooh, let me add some more spice to that. Then as soon as I start eating, I'm choking out on the first bite. I don't know when the last time I ate snow crab. I know one thing, I missed it. I wish these was bigger. You used to eat them big snow crabs. I don't know what's going on, honey, with seafood, but it's starting to lack. Girl, they in Safeway, they had a nerve to have a sign up saying that they had king crab legs. Girl, they about the same size as these little bitty snow crabs I'm eating. So you eat them, you just gonna be paying for the shell. I don't know why I'm fighting myself with a little bitty piece. I'm about to be in the shell pile. Y'all know what your girl really want? Some blue crab. Ugh. I want some blue crab so bad. It's ridiculous. Woo! Give me a couple of them onions too. Oh yes, give me some onions. They cool down now. I can touch them. Guys, so I got some good news. I got some good news, y'all. ZaddyChunkChunk, Bloveslife oldest son, Dalvin, is home from the hospital, guys. He has came through that CV 1-9, and he's doing so much better, guys. He's home. He's out of the hospital, and I'm just happy for the whole family. I'm so glad that he pulled through and that he's good and that he's back at the crib so he can get his life back. So, shout out to the beloved family. So glad that everything's all good over there once again. Whew. If anybody out there is a parent, then you gotta know how desperate she must have felt, knowing that there was nothing that she could do to help her son. So I'm just glad he pulled through. You can tell her spirits are back up. She finally doing mukbangs again. And trust me, I wouldn't have been doing that either if my son was sick. I would have been concerned about him and only him. So yeah. So glad everybody doing good over there. God, I am really loving this simple butter sauce that I put together. Perfect amount of spice. Perfect amount of flavor. And perfect for these crabs. So guys, what's y'all favorite crab? I gotta say, blue crab is my favorite. It's the flavor in it. Blue crab is definitely my favorite, number one. Number two would be snow crab. Number three would be Dungeness. King crab, number four. And it's all about the flavor. And the only reason why king crab is number four is because it tastes salty to me, because it's from the ocean. So it's from the deep sea. So unless I grill it on the grill, it tends to be a little bit too much salt content in that crab for me. But it's still delicious. It tastes like the beach. Guys, if y'all know a place where I can buy some jumbo snow crab, please let me know. The grocery store used to have them, and now they got these baby ones out, which tells me that they're not getting any. It's driving me crazy. Seafood is my main source of nourishment. Crab, shrimp, fish. That's mostly what I eat. When I'm not eating crab, shrimp, and fish, I'm eating chicken wings. Excuse me. You better break right. Okay. Come on. There we go. Guys, you know what? The butter has the flavor. I mean, like, it's like doused with the flavor. Like, snow crab got that sweet flavor. Come on now. Yes, I'm going in. I'm going all the way in. Oh, I'm sorry, I got butter going everywhere. Yeah, you can't eat pretty when you're eating crabs. You got to get down and dirty with it. You just got to get down and dirty with it. There's no wiping hands and, you know, too many napkin dabs unless you just, you know. Ah. Oh, yeah. Come on, give me that little poo. Come on, baby. Let me cut you off first. Come on down this way. Ooh, these shells. I wanted to dip you. But you don't want to come out in the whole piece. Y'all, this butter sauce is perfect. Not too spicy. Ooh, child. Mm. Ooh, child. I can't help myself, y'all. Crabs is my thing. Ooh-wee. Here we go, baby. One piece. Get up in that sauce. And let me get some of them onions. Mm. 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 Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Yes. Ooh. Come on out. There we go. I need some onions. Mm-hmm. I don't think there is a way to eat crabs that's not messy. You just have to embrace the fact that you gotta get in there. I'm talking elbows on the table, slurping, smacking, sucking. Mm. All that. Ooh, get up in there. Why'd you do that? Ooh, child, this is good. I'm trying not to let the butter hit my lens of my camera. Ooh. Yes. You guys, I've squeezed the juice of a whole lemon in this sauce. It makes a difference. It just wakes up that flavor. Yes, yes. So guys, what do y'all want to see from me? I'm not doing that new sweetie meal at McDonald's. I'm not doing it. I don't like McDonald's like that. And that sweetie meal ain't nothing but a Big Mac, and I definitely don't want that. So, what do y'all want to see from me? I was thinking about doing some more ASMR videos to add to my ASMR playlist. I know that I have some people that just like for me to eat and not talk. I think the next time I eat king crab, it's meat. Next time I eat king crab, I'm gonna make this butter sauce with it, child. My other one is way too spicy. But I love it though. I just use a different kind of spiciness. I didn't put like cayenne, pepper, and all of the hot seasonings. Ooh, honey. Y'all, I massacred these crabs. Oh God, it was so good. I got like 3 more in here. Oh yes, honey, yes. Y'all ever do a mukbang and be like, I should get up and get some more? It's the first time I've ever felt like that. First time. Y'all know I be full as a mug. When it comes to eating Dungeness crab, snow crab, and Blue crab is like, honey, I can eat a dozen, okay? I can eat a dozen of these. A dozen whole clusters. Especially these small ones. Now, if they were big, I probably can do like a half dozen. But I can eat some crab. Now, that king crab, I don't think I've ever eaten I don't think I've ever eaten 2 whole legs of that in one sitting. Like, it's just a lot of meat. Like, that king crab ain't no joke. Like, that's like a chicken breast style piece of crab. Like, the meat is fairly thick. Oh yeah. Stay in one piece. I'm breaking it up. Come on out. Should be easy. There we go. All right, y'all. Last bite. We're gonna eat with some onions. Guys, if you enjoyed watching me massacre these crabs as much as I did eating them, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Alright? And until next time, just remember that to the world, you may be one person, but to one person, you may be the world. Until next time, y'all, peace.